How to book Uber with car seat. So if you want to book Uber with car seat, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Uber application. Once you open up your Uber, now you just need to simply go with the search. And under search, you need to search for a pickup location. Once you search for the pickup location, now you just need to simply swipe up and you will have a bunch of options. Once you've searched for it, now here on the bottom you will have a bunch of options, which is premium, more options. So you just need to simply go and select an option with car seat. You will have the option of car seat under more section, so you just need to simply tap on it. Once you tap on the car seat, then you can have the amount or the price, and you can go with the bottom option, which is confirm car seat, and that's how you can book your Uber with a car seat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.